Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos and I'm back with a very quick case card class. I know you've missed them all, so I am doing one today for you. And with Easter coming up, I thought I'd pull out one of my all-time favourite stamp sets. It is the Hey Chick stamp set that was on celebration last year with Stamping Up, and it is just too cute, super cute to do an Easter card. And here it is with this funny looking chicken, turkey, I do not know what it is, and it says have a happy day. Just a lovely vibrant Easter card to send out, and a fun one too, very quick and easy. So let me tell you what you're going to need to make this card. So we are using the Hey Chick stamp set, and you will be needing let me just move my stamps out of the way. What you will need is a card base, and I'm using Daffodil Delight, Stampin' Up Daffodil Delight, but just yellow cardstock. And this is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4.25. You will need an orange piece for the front, which is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Then you will need a scrap piece of yellow, a scrap piece of white, and a scrap piece of orange. And with the these three pieces here, using the layering ovals, oval dies, and we have three. We have a straight cut one for the smaller one for the white, then a next size up scalloped for the yellow, and then one for the orange. So you end up with your layering ovals like so. So you have the white piece, the orange, and the yellow. So it looks like that has got marked, but we won't see it when we've stamped it. You will also need a scrap piece of yellow, which is cut at 1 inch by 2.5. And then we need to go ahead and do some stamping. So let me move all of these pieces out of the way for now. So we've cut all those, they're all done. Don't need that. So we need to bring in your orange piece and some scrap paper, and this is also cased from Pinterest and was put on there by Corolla Creations, just so that you know. Right, okay, so we're bringing in our orange piece, and I'm using Tangerine Tango ink, but you just need an orange ink, and we're going to be using the this stamp here. And what we're going to do, we're just going to stamp some of these birds, and we're just going to pop them randomly all over your card. Hang on. We'll do another one there, like that. And then we need to take, so put that to one side, and we need our white oval, and we're going to stamp this funny looking bird, like that. It's a bit squiff, but it doesn't really matter. And then we've got the little egg, which is so super cute, and we're going to stamp that there. Now I'm quite happy with that. You can position that better if you want, but it doesn't really matter. And then I have a blender pen here. Oh no, let me just do my sentiment here first before we do our colouring, and it's just have a happy day, and we're just going to pop that in the middle like that. And then we have our banner punch, or you could just cut it with scissors to make a banner like this, and then both ends you need to do like that. So that's all done. So pop that there, and then what you need to do, I have Daffodil Delight ink, and I'm using my blender pen for this. And what we're going to do is just get some ink on the tip there, and we're just going to colour in the egg. And then I'm just going to put Daffodil Delight all the way across this funny looking bird. And I've just seen I didn't do the beak on the other one, so we'll go and do that in a minute. Now I would usually use my oh gosh, my aqua pen, but I can't find it. I was using it the other day and I've put it down somewhere and now I can't find it. So I don't know where that is, but a blender pen works just the same. So I'm finished with that. And then we're going to bring back our Tangerine Tango. And while I'm here, I forgot to do the beak on this one here. So there you go. Oh, and it needs a little bit more. So we're just going to bring in put some ink on the tip, and we're going to do his feet. Like that. And I'm going to put some on his tail plumage. Tail plumage, is that what you would call it? His tail feathers. And then just run some through his mop of hair, or mop of feathers on his head. And then a little tiny bit on his beak. This is a super fast card, and then you just run that through. I could give it a better clean off camera, but we'll just do that for now. And we'll put that ink away. Pop that there, move that out of the way. And then we're going to stick these down. So just taking our oh my gosh, my snail, I should say. We're just going to pop that down like so. It's been so long since I've done my case cards, I've forgotten what everything's called. How terrible is that? Oh, come on. That's it. I'm just going to pop that down. Have a rattly table. It's not very good, is it? Something's rattling. I know what it is. I've got some jars in front of me and we've put that down a bit wonky. I'll just take that back up and put that back down because I had it a bit skewiff. Right, I'm going to have to move those jars because they will get on my nerves. Oh, there you go. It's not rattling now. So that's that. And then you're just going to take some dimensionals and put on the back of this. Oops. And there, one there, and one more there. And then we might as well go ahead and put a couple on the back of here. Like that. And like that. And then we're going to run some snail on this mat here. And put it down, oops, on our very colourful card. It's weird actually because I don't really use yellow and orange very often. They're not really my favourite colours, but it's quite nice and bright for a change. I loved this stamp set. It was so much fun. I've done quite a few cards with it actually, and it was lovely because it was, you know, kind of a freebie. So I thought a lot of you might have it. So let's pop that down in the top half there. And then we're going to pop this down here. Now you can do a piece in the middle, but you know, you can write on this. It doesn't matter. If you want to put an insert, then you could go ahead and cut a piece, 4 1/8 by 5 3/8 for the inside. I kind of feel like I need to do that, but I'm not going to do it now. It's quite easy to do if you wanted to do it. And look how lovely and bright and vibrant these cards are. There you go, look. So as you can see, super fast, quick and easy for your Easter cards, or just a quick hello. But hope you've enjoyed this case card class, and I shall see you very soon. Please like and subscribe, and please look at my giveaways as well, and I will be putting a video up later on today for my March Madness giveaways. You don't want to miss it. So take care, everyone. Great to be back with you doing case card classes. I've forgotten how much fun they are. Take care. Speak soon. Bye bye.